is very, very important. Why it is very important? Because most of the exams you can see these type of questions, because students find it easy when they give you numbers, and usually they include alphabets in the question. Students do a small mistakes. Okay, let's concentrate on the question. What is your question? This is your exercise 5.7, 14th question, and an important question with respect to your board exam point of view. Now, if you look at this, y is equal to a e to the power mx plus b e to the power nx, correct? First, let us differentiate with respect to x. If you differentiate with respect to x, what is your dy by dx here? A is a constant, let's keep it as it is, but e to the power mx, when you have e to the power ax, it's a e to the power ax, correct? So e to the power mx becomes m into e to the power mx plus b into n into e to the power nx, correct? Now, again we have to differentiate with respect to x, because what we are supposed to prove has d square y by dx square also. This is not like the other questions what you have. Here you need to find dy by dx and d square y by dx square. Then you're going to substitute in the RHS what they have given you to prove. Okay, let's differentiate this again. Look at this carefully. If you differentiate it now, it becomes a, again m multiplied, it becomes m square e power mx plus b, again n multiplied, it becomes n square e power nx, correct? So you got your dy by dx here, and you also got your d square y by dx square. Now what are we waiting for? We will directly substitute in the given equation. So I will write a into m square e power mx plus b into n square e power nx, and now what you get? Minus m plus n should be multiplied for your dy by dx. Your dy by dx is this now, correct? So a m into e power mx plus bn into e power nx, you multiplied, plus mn into y plus mn. Where is m? Mn is constant here. You have to multiply that with y. So mn into y, when you multiply, mn has to be multiplied with the first term. So mn into a e to the power mx plus mn into b e to the power nx. Now we have to just open the bracket, simplify, and check what are we getting here. What happens here? It becomes a into m square e power mx plus b into n square, b into n square it is. So b into n square e power nx minus, multiply m with m, it becomes a into m square e power nx, correct? Multiply m with this minus m into b n, that becomes, I can write mn into b, correct? So mn into b e power nx. Again, when you multiply n with m, here it becomes minus a mn into e power mx, correct? Again, n minus n, when you multiply here, minus n square into b e to the power nx, and here plus mn a e power mx plus mn b e to the power nx. Now look at this carefully. Can we cancel a into m square e to the power mx with a into m square e to the power mx? Can we cancel b into n square e to the power mx with b into n square e to the power mx? You have negative mn b e to the power nx in and positive mx b e to the power mx, and negative a mn e to the power mx, positive mn a e to the power mx. What is remaining? 0. That's what you have to prove. So they have asked you to prove that d square by dx square minus m plus n into dy by dx plus mn is equal to mny is equal to 0. You proved it. This is your final answer, and this is the most important question